Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back if you're already subscribed. So today we are doing a July garden tour. I have a lot to show you guys. I believe there's a lot more things blooming, so let's just get right on. So these right here are snapdragons. Those are a reseed from last year, believe it or not. They're the tall version. And they are yellow. They already bloomed, and they're actually, I think they're starting to rebloom again. Like this one went to seed though. And then these are peacock orchids. They're taking forever. They're bulbs. This is the first year I did bulbs. I think I told you guys that in my last video. And they're taking a while, so we'll see what happens. But we just have some petunias, some zinnia. Kale is growing like crazy. Got the yarrow here. We got cosmos everywhere, zinnias everywhere. And then I'm gonna show you guys the other side. I have some tick seed here. Some Mexican marigolds back there. So let me show you guys. Let's turn this way. Lots of petunias. Excuse me. These are actually called cactus zinnias. Look how pretty they are. I love the peach. Lots of peach, and then the light pink. There is some yarrow down there. I think it might have reseeded. I'm not sure. But lots of petunias. You guys, I don't even know the variety of these. I think they're just the garden ones. Like, I grew them from seed, but it just showed, like, I thought they were the short version, but as you guys can tell, they're huge. Like, they're just as tall as the zinnias. Like, they're literally huge. I got some deadheading to do on these marigolds. See the seeds in there? Just take the seeds and sprinkle them there, and you'll have more marigolds. So our Veronica looks a little fried. That's okay. It's been kind of hot again. That was a scabiosa. Let me zoom in. I actually cut it down. It was like this one. See how tall that one is? Let me zoom out. I cut it down because when you cut these down, they actually are like super good with like regrowing, and they'll grow back bigger, taller, and bushier. So you always want to cut them down, you know, as soon as you can. You really want to cut those down. And then, like I said, petunias are going crazy. And that's salvia. It's blue salvia there. Hasn't flowered yet, but I'm sure it will. Like I said, I'm going to cut him down. Got some verbena there. The ajuga's doing its thing. Some tick seed. And this is actually a candy cane zinnia. Can't really see, but. And then that tick seed back there is just kind of doing its thing. And then tons of black-eyed Susans mixed in with zinnias. They're freaking huge. Like, they are literally huge and tall. And the petunias, I actually had to put a little fencing here because they were like falling over it and everything else. So that's why that's there. Really pretty colors. All different colors of petunias. And zinnias mixed in here. And I actually found some basil. I don't know how I got here, but there's basil here. Rose tree. And then here's that Valentine's Day rose that I showed you guys before. Super pretty. I love the red. I really like red in the garden. It's super pretty, unique. And then that's some sedum I've had for 2 years. I just put it here, so I don't know if it's gonna do anything. But I mean, it looks like it's doing okay, so I do have to stake these. You guys, I'm literally holding these back right now. Like, they're so big that they're like tall. They're tall and they're like falling over. And that other Black-Eyed Susan plant is getting choked out a little bit too. But super pretty. I loved the yellow and the pink and orange and everything else. And then there's more zinnias there. Rose tree is still trying to figure it out. I don't know if it's going to bloom or not this year because I moved it from a different place. Told you guys that in the last video. Let's go to then over here I have more zinnias. I think I say this every video, but I have zinnias everywhere. Literally in every bed I have zinnias. So you're going to see a lot of different varieties, different colors. Like here's a cactus one. But this is my green bean bed. I have 2 tomato plants here. This is the Mexican marigold. It is not bloomed yet, but it's on its way. And I did, oh, look at the bee, guys. Look at it. It's pollinating. These are a different variety of zinnia. I'm not sure the name. I'll probably think of it later. If I do, I'll insert it into the video. But I just got done picking green beans. There was so many. Like, so many in here. There still is. Like, I gotta pick some of the ones in the back, but lots of green beans growing. Then over here, I have my hens and chicks. I love these. They're perennials. I'm in zone 6, so super easy to grow. They love the heat. They don't need much water. And then here we are. Look how tall this zinnia is. Tons of tomatoes. I do have some basil in here getting choked out. I have to go through here and, you know, prune everything. But lots of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, early girl, beef steak, pretty much everything. They're getting pretty tall. And I do have a pepper plant in there. I don't know how well it's gonna do. We'll just have to wait and see. Look at the marigolds. They're huge. Get out the way. And then back here, that's my dianthus. This is 4 o'clock that randomly just started popping up, so I'm just gonna leave it. This is parsley. That's chrysanthemum red. Voluntary tomato plant. I have no clue how that got there. I'm just gonna leave it there. Everything looks a little crammed because we put a pool up here next to the garden bed, so it's kind of crammed. But over there's some delphinium. Rose bushes are still kind of doing their thing. This morning glory is freaking huge. I need to get another trellis for it because it's huge. It's getting tall. See how it's like wrapping around. More zinnias. Let me zoom out. More zinnias. Zinnia City over here. Look at the snapdragons. Oh, these went to seed. Cosmo seeds. These are my pepper plants. That's a Chinese cabbage over there. Look at this, you guys. This Cosmo is literally like a bush. Look at this. It's freaking huge. Not too sure what's going on here. This kind of looks like it's dying. I don't know why. Maybe it needs some water. can barely get back here, but see, we got some green peppers growing with weeds. I gotta do some weeding. And petunias there. Some more zinnias. This is a different variety. I think this is Lilliput, or however you say it. I love the snapdragons. There's so many colors. I have like white, and then like the light pink and yellow and everything else. Petunias. Aren't they just pretty? Oh my gosh. And then this mess, guys. I call it a beautiful mess because, boy, there is a little bit of everything. A lot of the stuff I didn't even plant. It just reseeded, came back on its own. But this I did plant. This is that blue salvia. I think I showed you guys this in the last video. Larkspur. That purple is larkspur. And I have some more tick seed here. There's tick seed everywhere too. That's Sweet William there, that pink. And then I have some blanket flower here. Sunflower's kind of hiding it. And then I have black-eyed Susans, some Chinese aster, and then forget-me-nots, more zinnia back there. I guess I don't have to go through each plant with you guys because I already did a video, but I won't go through. I'll just kind of show you. I think this is so pretty. These like light pale, they're like orangey type things. Right. Let's go. So Cardinal Climber kind of mixed in with the rest of the stuff. Cucumbers are ginormous. They are really, really, really growing, guys. I'm hoping to have a big harvest this year, hopefully. Trying to untangle this. And there's like some sweet peas mixed in there too. Lemonade Cosmos. These are ginormous. Look at it, literally takes up the whole corner. I wanted to see if I saw some cucumbers, but I don't think I see any. There's some starting. And that's a different variety of Cosmo. I don't remember the name, but it's a Cosmo as well. Another tomato plant back here that needs pruning. I'll be working on that soon. That's the squash I showed you guys last time. There's a random Shasta daisy in here. And all that crap is weeds. I gotta pull all that out. Just haven't gotten a chance to. Here's the light Cosmos. Green onions are coming to the end of the season here. I gotta kind of cut them and everything. And then this is just a random bed with nothing in it besides a volunteer sunflower. This is all the mint. This is all mint. It smells so good. I don't know if it's peppermint or spearmint. I can't figure it out, but it smells like spearmint to me. Then we got another ginormous tomato bed here. I got lots of calendula mixed in with little pests. I don't know what those little black bugs are, but more calendula seeds. My tomato plants are huge, like literally huge. I do have to do some pruning, but they are huge, you guys. They're ginormous. Oh, there's a tomato down there and a couple over here. These are snapdragons. They're like a burgundy color. They bloomed and then I don't know what happened. So I'm sure they'll do again, bloom some more. There we go. Some more marigold seeds. Literally just stick them in here and they'll grow new marigolds for you. Some dirt over it. There you go. Okay, guys, we are to the end of the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this July tour. I'll probably do another one in August. And maybe we'll have, you know, vegetables and stuff I can actually show you instead of just showing you the greenery. All right, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.